Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Leither subscription for November, and I thought I'd share it with you. So here it is. And let's take a look. Sorry, I'm sick. And my voice is all messed up. So, first we have a card telling us about their Get Hooked on Socks course. And there you go. And second, this is for November 2022, and it is the Polar Bear collection. So that's what the inspiration card looks like. And let me remove the hook. And here are the stitch markers. There is a Yellowstone and a little tiny peachy pink polar bear. And it's a little gummy bear, actually. Okay, that's a come in. There it is. Isn't that adorable? That's adorable. I love that. So here is the yarn. It's 100% superwash. There are 218 yards or 100 grams. And it's called Polar Bear Worsted. And here they are. They are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll slide one of the labels off. Takes one whole hand to do that. But there they are. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Here, I can't even tell if it's focusing. Oh, there we go. So there they are. They've got some blues and some greens, some blacks, and they're really quite stunning. And there it is. It's the Polar Bear Worsted. And there it is. And to go with these, we got a hook. And here is the stunning hook for this month. And it's done in blues. And it does have a clover end on it. And it is quite beautiful. And it is an E hook. That's what this one is. That looked weird, didn't it? It's an E hook. But it is quite beautiful and stunning. I like that. So, for the Polar Bear box for November 2022, this is what we got right here. Make sure my eyelash doesn't like fly all over the place. That was weird. But that's what we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. And you can always check out Leither.com and get yours too. I hope you've enjoyed seeing that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.